Either you can buy an affordable laptop or a premium laptop, but the Tecno Megabook T1 is one of those laptops which I can say is an affordable premium laptop. This laptop is available in 3 different variants. I bought the Core i5 variant with 16GB RAM because it doesn't matter if you are a light user or a heavy user. 8GB RAM is not enough as per today's standard. The build quality of this laptop is premium because Tecno has used aluminium on all sides of the laptop. Despite an aluminium body, the laptop feels lightweight and slim in hand and doesn't attract fingerprints too, which is very nice. You will notice a big Megabook logo on top of the laptop inside a brush design, and a small Tecno logo is placed at the bottom right corner. On the left side, you will get a Kensington lock, a charging indicator, a Type-C port which is only for charging, an HDMI port, a USB 3.1 port, and a Type-C port which can be used for all devices. On the right side, you will get a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones and microphones, 2 USB 3.0 ports and a micro SD card slot, and a hole which can be used to reset the laptop. On the bottom side, you have a big grill for cooling, multiple rubber pads, and 2 speaker grills. When you open the laptop for the first time, you will see boot instructions which say you need to charge this laptop for some time before booting up. Here you get a big trackpad with left and right click and a full-size keyboard with a separate number pad. You get a power on-off button on the top right corner, which also works as a fingerprint sensor, and the fingerprint sensor is fast and responsive. On top of display, you get 2 microphones, a 2 megapixel Full HD webcam, and a light sensor. You also get a shutter which can be used to close the camera for privacy. I have seen some videos where they claimed opening this laptop with one hand is possible, but it's not possible in my case. I tried to open it but I failed, which is not an issue for me. But what I liked about the hinge of this laptop is you can open it 180 degrees, which is a nice feature to have. The Tecno Megabook T1 has a 15.6-inch Full HD display with high comfort technology. The bezels are very thin, colors are sharp, viewing angle is perfect, and the brightness is good. You will also notice that it has a non-reflecting matte display, which automatically increases visibility and eye comfort. I used the smartphone's torchlight directly on the display, and you can notice that the reflection is barely visible. I can say that this is one of the best displays you can get under 30k. Now let's talk about the performance. As I said earlier, this laptop is available in 3 different variants, and I bought the Core i5 variant. It has an 11th Gen Core i5 1155G7 processor along with 512GB PCIe 3.0 Nvme SSD Storage and 16GB LPDDR4 RAM. Performance-wise, there is no problem at all. You can run almost all programs and a few high-end games too. For example, I tried to edit 4K video while keeping Photoshop, Word, and Chrome with 5 tabs open, and I did not encounter any problem, but doing the same in the 8GB RAM variant might not be possible. No matter which variant you are going to buy, performance will be good in all 3 variants, but the multitasking experience won't be good in the base variant. Plus, there is no option to upgrade RAM in the future, so you should choose the correct variant depending on your need. You get a big trackpad on this laptop with multi-finger gesture support. This trackpad is very smooth and responsive, plus you also get left and right click buttons. The full-size keyboard is good enough for all the works. The plus point for this keyboard is the backlight with 4 different levels of brightness, which allows you to select different brightness for different lighting conditions. Overall, the typing experience on this keyboard is very good. You get a 70 Wh battery in this laptop, and the battery size is very good in this budget. Tecno claims 17.5 hours of battery backup, which is almost impossible for an end user, but this battery will easily give you 3 to 8 hours of battery backup depending on what you are doing on this laptop. Tecno Megabook T1 comes with a 65W charger in the box, but the charging speed is not really fast. It takes around 1 hour to charge from 5% to 40%, which is very slow compared to other laptops. Megabook T1 has 2 speakers and the sound quality is loud and clear. In fact, the sound quality is far better than my Dell Inspiron 2-in-1 laptop. Overall, Megabook T1 is a complete package within a budget. The launch price of this laptop was very high, but at the current discounted price, the Tecno Megabook T1 is one of the best laptops you can get. Obviously, there are some downsides such as slow charging speed, RAM can't be upgraded, and we don't have any idea about after-sale service. But if you are okay with these, you can go for the Tecno Megabook T1. You won't regret your decision. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.